King County is located in the U.S. state of Washington. The population was 2,252,782 in the 2019 census estimate, making it the most populous county in Washington, and the 12th most populous in the United States. The county seat is Seattle, also the state's most populous city. King County is one of 3 Washington counties that are included in the Seattle-Tacoma-Bellevue metropolitan statistical area. About 2/3 of King County's population lives in Seattle's suburbs. The county was formed out of territory within Thurston County on December 22, 1852, by the Oregon Territory Legislature and was named after Alabamian William R. King, who had just been elected Vice President of the United States under President Franklin Pierce. Seattle was made the county seat on January 11, 1853. The area became part of the Washington Territory when it was created later that year. King County originally extended to the Olympic Peninsula. According to historian Bill Speidel, when peninsular prohibitionists threatened to shut down Seattle's saloons, Doc Maynard engineered a peninsular independence movement. King County lost what is now Kitsap County but preserved its entertainment industry. Coal was discovered in 1853 by Dr. M. Bigelow along the Black River, and in subsequent decades several companies formed to mine coal around Lake Washington and deliver it to Seattle. The Seattle and Walla Walla Railroad started servicing the Renton coal fields in 1877, and the Newcastle fields in 1878. By 1880, King County produced 22% of the coal mined on the West Coast, most of that coal being found within the Renton Formation's Muldoon coal seam. On February 24, 1986, the King County Council approved a motion to rename the county to honor civil rights leader Martin Luther King Jr., preserving the name, King County, while changing its namesake. The motion stated, among other reasons for the change, that William Rufus Devaney King was a slave owner who earned income and maintained his lifestyle by oppressing and exploiting other human beings, while Martin Luther King's contributions are well documented and celebrated by millions throughout this nation and the world, and embody the attributes for which the citizens of King County can be proud and claim as their own. Because only the state can charter counties, the change was not made official until April 19, 2005, when Governor Christine Gregoire signed into law Senate Bill 5332, which provided that King County is renamed in honor of the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., effective July 24, 2005. The County Council voted on February 27, 2006 to adopt the proposal sponsored by Council member Larry Gossett to change the county's logo from an imperial crown to an image of Martin Luther King Jr. on March 12, 2007. The new logo was unveiled. The new logo design was developed by the Gable Design Group and the specific image was selected by a committee consisting of King County Executive Ron Sims, Council Chair Larry Gossett, Prosecutor Norm Malling, Sheriff Sue Rahar, District Court Judge Karina Hahn, and Superior Court Judge Michael Trickey. The same logo is used in the flag. Martin Luther King Jr. visited King County once, for 3 days in November 1961. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the county has a total area of 2,307 square miles is water. King County has nearly twice the land area of the state of Rhode Island. The highest point in the county is Mount Daniel at 7,959 feet above sea level. King County borders Snohomish County to the north, Kitsap County to the west, Kittitas County to the east, and Pierce County to the south. It also shares a small border with Kielan County to the northeast. King County includes Vashon Island and Maury Island in Puget Sound. The center of population of the state of Washington in 2010 was located in eastern King County. King County's own center of population was located on Mercer Island. As of the 2010 United States Census, there were 1,931,249 people, 789,232 households, and 461,510 families residing in the county. The population density was 912.9 inhabitants per square mile. 6.2% African American, 14.6% Asian, 0.8% Pacific Islander, 0.8% Native American, 3.9% from other races, and 5.0% from two or more races. Those of Hispanic or Latino origin made up 8.9% of the population. In terms of ancestry, 17.1% were German, 11.6% were English, 11.1% were Irish, 5.5% were Norwegian, and 2.9% were American. Of the 789,232 households, 29.2% had children under the age of 18 living with them. 45.3% were married couples living together. 9.1% had a female householder with no husband present. 41.5% were non-families. And 31.0% of all households were made up of individuals. The average household size was 2.40 and the average family size was 3.05. The median age was 37.1 years. The median income for a household in the county was $68,065 and the median income for a family was $87,010. Males had a median income of $62,373 versus $45,761 for females.